This video, we're going to talk about 7.2 Objective 3, where we describe correlations and possible causes. For the following description, state the correlation clearly. For example, state there is a positive correlation between variable A and variable B. Then state whether the correlation is most likely due to coincidence, a common underlying cause, or a direct cause, and explain your answer. In one state, the number of unregistered handguns steadily increased over the past several years, and the crime rate increased as well. What is the correlation? So they're saying that there is a positive correlation, that is, one goes up, the other goes up. And so the statement there, D, there's a positive correlation between the number of unregistered handguns and an increase in the crime rate. Is the correlation most likely due to coincidence, a common underlying cause, or a direct cause? The correlation is most likely due to a direct cause. Many crimes are committed with handguns that are not registered. So that was question 1. For the following description, state the correlation clearly. Same instructions as before, right? Statistics students find that they spend more time studying. As they find more time studying, their test scores are higher. So we would say that there's a positive correlation for that, right? Between the number of hours spent studying and their test scores. So that would be A. And is the correlation most likely due to coincidence, a common underlying cause, or a direct cause? The correlation is most likely due to a direct cause. As students study more, they gain a better understanding of the subject, and their test scores are likely to be higher. So that was D that I just read. Now let's look at number 3, same instructions as before. It has been found that as the number of traffic lights increases, the number of car crashes also increases. So they're saying that there is a positive correlation between the number of traffic lights and the number of car crashes. And while that is not a direct cause, they most likely are due to a common underlying cause, such as a general increase in the number of cars and traffic. So that's B, that as the number of cars on the road increase, you're going to need more traffic control devices like traffic lights, but there's also going to be more accidents as there's more traffic and more congestion. The following description states for the following correlation, state the description clearly. Okay, this is still the same instructions here. So it has been found that as gas prices increase, the distances vehicles are driven tends to get shorter. So there's a negative correlation here. As the price of gas increases, the distances vehicles are driven decreases. So that would be B. And is there a correlation? Yeah, there's a direct cause. B, the correlation is most likely due to a direct cause. As gas prices increase significantly, people can't afford to drive as much, so they cut costs by driving less. They look for other kinds of transportation as well to get around locally, walk, ride their bike, carpool, take public transportation, all those types of things. And they may even look for other options like telecommuting and things like that, so that they don't have to put as many miles on their car and spend as much on gas. So there's all those things that people do to drive less when gas prices go up. So, all right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 7.2 Objective 4. See you for the next video.